The Food and Drug Administration says a number of beauty products with high mercury content are still sold in the local market. Pia Bonalas for this report.
Susana was walking around in Divisoria when she saw members of Eco-Waste Coalition and the Food and Drug Administration testing beauty products for mercury content. She was asked by her friend to buy Ailke Day and Night Cream and decided to test it for its mercury content. It tested positive for mercury with 81,000 parts per million or ppm, the highest recorded by Eco-Waste Coalition so far. The Philippines only allows 1 ppm of mercury content in products. Eco-Waste was in Divisoria to inform vendors and consumers alike about the harmful properties of mercury.
Itong mga produktong itong nakitaan at alam naman natin na nagtataglay ng mercury na kung saan ay alam naman natin na ito ay isang neurotoxicant, pangunahing maapektuhan nito ay ang utak, atay at baga ng isang tao.
They were accompanied by members of the FDA who oversaw the testing of beauty creams using an X-ray fluorescence spectrometer. 2 out of 4 beauty creams tested positive for mercury.
Within the month of July, malalabas na namin yung test kasi sinintay na sabay-sabay natin iti-test yan.
De Vera says they are monitoring markets in Santa Cruz, Binondo, Divisoria, Green Hills, and Baclaran for mercury-containing products. He reminds the public to remain vigilant in purchasing beauty creams and make sure that they are registered with the FDA. Pia Bonalas, Solar News.